Greetings. Recognize that? Family. This is my original real estate sign. I'll let you know how long I've been around. I can't even remember when I opened this company, sole proprietor family. I've always owned my own businesses. Always wanted control. Never really liked anybody telling me anything. My mother, bless her soul, had a hard time with me. Best mother in the world. I'm gonna do some videos on the best wisdom knowledge I got was from my mother, who only had a 4th or 5th grade education. Way the greatest person I've known and know of. But we're gonna do some videos on her. May she rest and continue to rest in peace. But family, this is my first sign to let you know how long I've been in this game. When I tell you 30, 40 years helping the community. And family, no brag, but one of the best comments I've received in those years from a friend, Cletus. Hope you're feeling better, bro. You know who you are. He told me, man, he said, you hustle, but you help people. I take that. I take that. So family, it's a quiet Wednesday. We want to check a few things. Let's see if my chat is working. That's the first thing. I want to get hooked up on these lives. And family, it's not jumping. Is this it? Okay. Maybe, no, it's not what I want. It's not what I want. I want, I want prism. Really, I don't know how to pronounce that word. I'm gonna call it something else. Read, uh, prism chat. Let me make a note of that. Family, where is my prism chat? Okay, family, make it work for your child. Another thing I wanted to do was show 5 side hustles for seniors. And I want to read it off, family, but I don't want to just read it. And I don't think you can see it from here. I think I got to put this in Windows Capture. So let me put that down again. So when I come back, Jack, I want it to be smooth for you. Okay. So we can put that back. What else I want to do today? Family, I think that's it. In the beginning. But anyway, family, I could have cleaned it up a little bit, but that's how long this image has been my logo. How long I've been studying, let's just say, not history, but our story. But in the meantime, fam, if you have legal courses or consumer courses, particularly the ones that's been bugging you like I do. I have a lot of legal questions that's been bugging me over the years. One of them is like contempt of court. That to me is a lot of power to give a judge for his subjective opinion. Laundering. I don't like the laundering law. I'm looking for an opportunity to fight the laundering law. I think that's some BS that's used in the hood. Look like I'm going dog family. I don't know if it's the cops. Um, Outside of my moving. My camera is right now, I think, well, it was in tracking mode. Now it seems to be in standard mode. I don't know, did it just default to that? Or was it my move? Let's see, family. Uh, Sometimes we gotta work on the spot. Put a little light on the subject. If you go dark, got some lights. It's a little better. Could pull out the big boy. Got in this game, bought a lot of stuff, didn't know how to use, but my mentor said, "Don't worry about it, brother. You'll grow into it." See, okay, all right, but I gotta figure out how to use it. But I see what it does. Uh, all right, family. We're gonna call it a wrap. But if you have those legal questions, you see my number. Dial me up. If those consumer problems or questions, dial me up. Let's see if I can be an assist to you. Peace and haggries, family.